In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the thermal paste to your Xbox One. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the repair. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the vents to the Xbox right here from the side. Just put your pry tool opener between the vents and the housing of the Xbox. Lift it up from one side and do the same thing on the other side. Should be easy, nothing is hard. Just like that. Then remove the plastic piece under the sync button to the Xbox. Then all you have to do is put your pry tool opener between these two housing right here and twist to the side. And once it opens up a little bit, just like that, hold it with your fingers and then start prying at the Xbox from the back. And then separate it just like this. And keep prying till the two Next thing what you want to do is disconnect your power ribbon cable right here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see a little bit better. You can use a tweezer or you can use your fingers. Just remove these two clamps right here and you can push them to the outside. And then once you push it to the outside, just remove the blue cable and then pull on the opposite side and your power cable comes out just like this one. Next, we're going to remove the rest of the screws on this Xbox right here. All of the black screws has to come out, and it seems like this Xbox has been opened before and it's missing two screws right here. The only screws that we have left is right here, which is that's holding the Wi-Fi board. And we got one more. And remove the small circuit board. And we got one more screw that's holding the Xbox frame. Next thing we're going to do is disconnect this cable right here and disconnect this cable right here also from the main board right here. All you have to do next is just lift out the plate and then remove the Xbox from the bottom housing. Then we're going to disconnect the hard drive and the CD player, remove the SATA cable. Then disconnect the fan cable. All we have to do left is remove this power board right here and 4 screws in the back that's holding the X clamp. Remove the power board. I'm going to remove the 4 silver screws. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 right here and one more screw right here. Next, I'm going to remove the 2 plastic screw holders. Just push to the inside and remove the Xbox from the frame and then flip it just like this. Now we have to remove the X clamp, and I'm going to show you how to do it with the flat screwdriver right here. I'm going to get a flat screwdriver this size, and I'm going to link in the description below and put it between the screw and the X clamp right here on the corner of it. Just like that. Push down, make sure it's in all the way, and then lift up. There you go, just like this. And then you want to do the same thing to the other side. Push down. If one side is giving you a hard time, skip it. See? And then go to the other side. Push down and twist. Down and twist. Once you get 2 of them loosened, the rest of them they'll just pop out. And here you go. This is the heatsink, and it got dry thermal paste, as you see right here. Nothing is liquidy, everything is dry. So now we have to clean it up. What do you want to clean? You really don't want to touch these capacitors and resistors around the processor. All you want to do, focus on this area right here where the chip is, and all around the chip. You just want to get a tweezer or a Q-tip and clean it up just like that. Next, you can use a nail polish remover from anybody in the house, or some alcohol or anything you got that can remove this. Is basically alcohol and acetone and nail polish remover. And then what you want to do, you want to scrub the processor just like that. You see it's all coming out, and you want to make sure it's nice and shiny. And make sure you focus on this area only. You don't want to go outside that area. Like I said, don't forget, don't touch. You can clean this area right here if you want to, but you don't have to. The main thing is the processor. And that's how you should clean like that. You can clean it more and more details. I'm just doing this for the sake of this tutorial, just to show you how to do it. Once you're done with the circuit board, what do you want to do? You want to get your heatsink now and start working on the heatsink. And again, get some alcohol. And that's how it should look, nice, clean, and shiny. You don't have to go to overdo it. I'm pretty sure right now it's better than how it was before. Now we're gonna apply the thermal paste to this Xbox One. And the best one you wanna buy is the MX4. I'm gonna link in the description below. You can get it from Amazon. You don't have to use much. Maybe just like that. That's more than enough. Then if your heatsink is dirty, go ahead and clean it. Again, I'm just doing this video for the tutorial. Next, put the fan on top of the heatsink and press down, then flip the Xbox just like that. And the way you want to use this is just make sure you clamp it in these green studs and press down. Now we got 3 in, and now I'm gonna press the last one just to show you how you should do it. All of those 3 are in, just press down. There you go. Next, I'm gonna put the circuit board in the framing of the Xbox just like this. And then we're gonna install everything back up. First thing you wanna do is put the hard drive, and everything should be back easy. You'll see holes here, spots for screws. Just align them together. Connect the rest of the hard drive cables. And now connect the CD player and the rest of the cables. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and if your Xbox has a Wi-Fi issue, make sure you check the video right here in the corner of this video. I'll see you on the next one.